Hey, it's Heather here. I want to give you a close up look at these kitchen mats that I recently purchased. I got a set of them. This is in the color khaki. Now, I will say this is a very light khaki. It almost has a hint of gray to it, but I really am pleased with it. I also like the design on here. And another important thing was the backing. I wanted it to be non slip, and it definitely does cling to the floor nicely. But what I want to do is show you them on the floor and tell you a couple other good points about them. So I have this one in front of the kitchen sink because I tend to drop water on the floor always when I'm working in the sink. And the other thing, I wanted one that my foot would slide over. I didn't want to approach the sink and then, go flying into the sink. And so the other thing is you can take a vacuum to this. You can vacuum this. You can wipe it up with a damp cloth to keep it nice and clean, and it is very nice and cushy, so it's going to feel lovely on your feet. If you're looking for some kitchen mats, I highly recommend checking these out.